livechat.com. Livechat.com is a AI chatbot where we can use for the website for chatting. It's easily integrated with the website through a plugin in a WordPress. And after that, you can use a live chat. Here you can see the interface of the website. You can see that it's the interface when you join live chat, and easily you can see the interface. And when a people come on your website and you can chat here, then after that you can see this type of interface. It's a good AI chatbot. I have already used this AI chatbot, so it's more useful. Customer come here on your website and you can chat and easily convert according to your product. You can check here social media account here, and easily you can know more about the live chat. Now you understand how to use live chat.